Hi gals and welcome to Jane Sees the World. Today I'm going to be talking about what you need to pack for outdoor music festivals, specifically the Braun Brother Reunion. Hi gals, welcome to Jane Sees the World. Today I'm talking about a slightly different adventure. We're not headed overseas or to another state. I'm actually staying in state and headed to one of my favorite outdoor music festivals, the Braun Brother Reunion. I've been going to this for about 13-14 years now, and so I know a little bit about what you're allowed to take and not take. So that's what we're talking about today, what you can pack and what you should take to an outdoor music festival. First up, seating. It's a 3-day festival. You're not going to want to stand the entire time. You can haul in your big camp chair, that's fine. I personally prefer one of those that just sits on the ground. That way you don't have to sit way far in the back. You can sit up closer if you want, but yeah, you still have the back support. So definitely take a smaller chair. I'm a big fan of blankets. Sometimes you just want kind of a place to lay out and crash. So I've been taking a blanket. Also, you can put your chair on it and kind of have all your stuff. In the past, we've also taken a tarp as well. The weather changes on a dime in Challis. Hail, this big in the past. Rain. I don't know that we've ever gotten snow, but definitely hail and rain, and it comes and goes very quickly. And so to have a tarp to keep your stuff dry is great. Recently, I've been using this blanket on one side, tarp on the other. It's kind of a game changer. Sunscreen. Plenty of sun up there in the mountains. So I always haul a big one that I reapply throughout the day, but also I discovered this little gem. It is a sunscreen brush. It's really great for that little part right there, and you just kind of dab it on. I actually saw a gal using this at a music festival, and I thought, went home immediately, figured it out, and bought one. I'll put a link down in the comments for you guys. Or you can just go with a hat. Sunglasses are a must. I actually recommend you don't take your favorite pair. There's a good chance they might get lost or stolen, fall on the ground, someone will stomp on them. But definitely pack the sunglasses. This is something I've been packing for a few years now when it gets hot. It's a lifesaver. Yes, I look ridiculous, but I don't care because I'm hot and this is keeping me cool. And I've had more than one person offer to buy it off me. Pack a fan. Also helpful is this tiny little water bottle. Put just a little bit of water in it. When you get hot, you'll feel much better. This one's not necessary, it's just fun. Bring your favorite koozie, keeps your drinks cold. Speaking of water, you cannot bring a water bottle into the Braun Brother Reunion. You can bring an empty one in, there's nowhere to fill it, and you can't bring your own water even if it's sealed. I take major issue with this, and it's one of my biggest complaints about the Braun Brother Reunion. Give us access to water, please! They at least stopped selling plastic water bottles. So now we just have aluminum ones, but it's still a big fat waste. That being said, you need to hydrate. So bring money, bring cash. You should bring cash anyway, but bring cash for water and hydrate yourself. Similarly, you cannot bring food in, but the food is not that healthy. So I do recommend you pack a few snacks and then eat them before or go out to your car and eat them during intermission. But try to be a little healthy if you can. Earplugs. Always remember the earplugs when you go to a concert. Always. I like to print out a little schedule. I actually keep this just in the back of my phone. Make a note, pack your phone, it's your camera, your lifeline, tell all your friends that you're gonna wanna meet up with. I like to keep this in there as well so that I know who's coming up, who I don't wanna miss, who I can miss and go use the bathroom. So make a little schedule. In Challis, once the sun goes down, it does get cold. It's the mountains. So you're gonna wanna bring warm clothes, potentially a sweater, some pants. You might be able to keep these out in your car and go get them, but if not, you're going to want to haul them in with you. I mentioned that weather changing on a dime. That means the rain's going to come. So if you haven't packed a tarp, or maybe in addition to the tarp, think about an umbrella or a rain jacket. You can look at the forecast. It might say there's no rain, but then you're in the mountains. The rain might come. Okay, once I have all my junk that I'm going to haul in, because it does kind of become quite the load, I usually just haul it in a tote bag. That seems to be adequate enough. Plus, security's going to want to go through it, so you want to make it easy so you can get through security quicker. And then I'm not afraid to leave this tote bag just laying around. There's nothing valuable in it. The valuables I put in a small bag, usually crossbody, or if I have pockets, then I can put the phone and the money and the things that are really important to me. I keep that in a small bag. But everything else I just haul in a tote. Works just fine. So there you have it, all of the things I think one needs to prepare for a outdoor music festival, specifically the Braun Brother Reunion. Each music festival is a little bit different. So some allow water, some don't. You just need to be aware of the rules. And festivals like the Braun Brother Reunion have grown a lot over the years, and the rules have changed. It is a lot of fun, but I think it's more fun if you come prepared. I'm not one of those that can walk into a concert with my wallet and a pair of sunglasses on my head. I need to be prepared for any sort of inclement weather or situation, and so I do. I come prepared. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like or subscribe if you did. Have a blast at your next music festival, and tell us all about it. We'd like to hear.